In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a ready-made letterhead in Microsoft Word. If you already have a ready-made letterhead in Microsoft Word and want to change the text, logo, contact information, or other details, you can edit it directly from the document. This is useful when you want to customize an existing letterhead instead of creating one from the beginning. First, open the ready-made letterhead document in Microsoft Word. Once the document is open, look at the top part of the page where the letterhead design is located. If you cannot select or edit the letterhead content normally, the information may be placed inside the header. To access it, double-click near the top of the page. This will open the header area and allow you to work with the elements that are part of the letterhead. Now, click on the text that you want to change. You can select the existing text and replace it with your own information. For example, you can change the company name, address, website, contact details, or any other text included in the letterhead. If the letterhead contains a logo or another image, click on the image to select it. You can then use the available picture formatting options to adjust its size or position according to the layout of your letterhead. When editing the text, you can also use the formatting options in Microsoft Word to change the font size, alignment, or other text formatting. Try to keep the formatting consistent with the original design, so the letterhead maintains a clean and professional appearance. If there are other elements in the header that you want to change, select each one and edit them as needed. Take care when moving objects, because changing their position can affect the overall layout of the letterhead. Once you have finished editing the letterhead, double-click outside the header area to return to the main document. You can now type your letter in the main body of the document, while keeping your customized letterhead at the top of the page. Before finishing, review the entire page and check that the text, images, spacing, and alignment look correct. Make sure that your new information fits properly within the existing letterhead design. This method allows you to customize a ready-made letterhead without having to recreate the entire design. You can simply replace the existing information and adjust the elements that you need to change. And that's how you can edit a ready-made letterhead in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,